morning, guys. You don't know it's your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, how are they? And guys, welcome to the Ask Melica show. And on today's show, the question is, Melica, who are some of the persons that keep you motivated? First and foremost, the person that keep me number one motivated is God. Why God? Because God really lined me up, aligned me in a position where I know my value, I know my worth, I know that I'm a child of the King, and knowing that is so awesome to me, knowing that you have somebody that is always there to listen to you, somebody that you can trust, somebody that will never let you down, somebody that knows what is best for you at all times. Yo, that's my biggest motivation. I always pray, I always meditate and ask God for certain things and direction and so. That's my biggest motivation. I also really look to Steve Harvey. If you know me, I love Steve. Steve is just so funny, and his messages, he can bring across his message so good in a fun way. I think like I have a personality like that. I hope to meet Steve one day. What a thing. I would love to go on the Steve Harvey show one day. I'm so happy. I listen to Oprah because Oprah now, a lot of people have things to say about Oprah, but the message behind what a person says, that I really look into. Oprah tell us looking in your inner being and how you can get your inner being out. Really looking and find a purpose. She help you with gratitude. You understand? And I really like that. I also zoom in on TD Jakes. TD Jakes has some great messages across all areas of life, and I really know that about him, and I really take him in a lot. Who else? Steve, Oprah, TD Jakes. First and foremost over everything, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So those three TD Jakes, Oprah, TD Jakes, Oprah, and Steve Harvey. Morning. And Steve Harvey, them the people, they are human beings. But the number one person I mean find my motivation is God, because you know say all things in the Bible, if I really check it, everything we need is in there. But these other people, I kind of use them for backup because I like them and I like how they present their information, and I really connect with it. And it's great to find mentors and people that you look up to, because it will help you, because you alone can't survive in this world. You need help from other people, some way, somehow, some form. So that's what I do to keep motivated. Oh yes, and I keep myself motivated as well. Very much keep myself motivated, because I always talk to myself and I always want to become the best version of myself. So I always set standards for myself so that, you know, I feel good in myself, and my motivation is one of the best. That's next to Jesus' motivation. So you have Jesus, then you have my motivation, self-motivation, then you have some other mentors that I look up to for, you know, like guidance, help, some of the experiences and so on. So guys, if you have a question that you want to ask Melica, leave a comment below, or you can send me a message on Snapchat, or you can add me on Instagram and send me a message there, or you can email me at melicaskylife@gmail.com. So that's it.
Now I'ma tell the world, I'ma tell it everywhere.